In today's video we are going to talk about the newly inaugurated assembly line of LCA Tejas. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited today inaugurated the third assembly line of LCA Tejas in Nashik. The Indian Defence Secretary inaugurated the facility and also handed over the 100th Sukhoi Su-30 MKIROH aircraft to Air Vice Marshal Sarin of the Indian Air Force. This new facility will be able to enhance LCA Tejas Mark-1 A production from 16 to 24 aircrafts per year. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited's Nashik division has achieved peak overhaul capacity of 20 Su-30s per year. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has already set up 2 LCA manufacturing facilities in Bengaluru. The third facility could be used to fulfill the export requirements of LCA Tejas. Apart from that, there are reports that the Indian Air Force is preparing to buy another 50 LCA Tejas Mark-1 A after the completion of the current order of 83 jets. If we talk about the combined production capacity of all three facilities set up by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, these facilities will be able to produce up to 30 to 32 aircrafts per year.